Hey guys, welcome back to Character Red Woodshop. If you're new here, my name's John and I represent the Character Red brand. If you're not new here, thanks for checking out another video and I appreciate you subscribing to my channel. So in this video, what I got coming up is a simple home build that I built for our kayak racks, or a yak rack if you want to call it. So I did this by some 4x4 posts that I had laying around in the garage, and I finally cut them up and I used some 2x4s and a little bit of 1x6s and 1x3s. So it's a fairly simple build, and it was fairly cheap to build, but it got the kayaks out of my garage and start using it for some fully integrated storage. So thanks for checking out another video, and let's check this out and see how I made this come to life. See you guys. Alright, so the first thing that I needed to do was take my track saw and make a few dado cuts, and I needed them to be actually pretty large, so I had to make quite a few cuts. I have 3 different spots that I'm going to have dados in both of these boards. That way they can hold the rest of the 4x4 posts. And then we got to clean them up, so that's what step 1 and step 2 are, and I'm going to let you guys get through that, and then we'll walk you through the next step. Okay, so step 3 of the build is going to be actually cutting the arms that are going to hold your kayaks up, and you're going to need 3 for each side. I made these 40 inches long just to make sure that I was extra safe and could hold both of my kayaks, because I have 2 different size kayaks that I'm going to be storing on this rack. And now we are moving into adjoining the pieces for all of the 4x4s. There's a little bit of a scary moment where this tipped over and kind of knocked me in the head. So that's mistake number 1 for this project. So make sure that you've got a flat surface that you're assembling this on, and don't make a rookie mistake like I did. Alright, so now you can see that I've got it on a flat surface, and it's going to be much easier for me to bang these out and get the cuts that I need and the supports put in. So I chose to do some decking screws that I had left over from a previous project, and this is just going to save me a little bit of money. But I'm also using Gorilla Glue in this build. I normally use Titebond, but since we moved over to Japan, it's harder to get Titebond over here. So that's why I'm using that. Then we're going to attach some 45-degree angled 2x4s. That way it can support the heaviness of the kayaks. Alright guys, so either I've got everything for the kayak rack all assembled and it's ready to roll, or it's already cut up and we've got to assemble it upstairs behind the house where we're going to keep the kayaks. That way we can get them out of my workshop. So I'm super excited. Let's go put this thing together and get it done. Alright, so now we're moving into the final step, and that is assembling the actual kayak rack, and then we're going to get the back of it on here. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you guys once again for watching my video. This week was a quick one, but I wanted to put it out because I really enjoyed making this, and now that I've freed up some storage spot, I can start producing more shop builds. Also, if you haven't checked me out on all of my other social media platforms, you can find me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook. Me and my buddy, we run this wood shop together. I'm just more of the content creator of Character Red Wood Shop, but we would love to get a follow from you over on Instagram, or check us out on Pinterest and tell us what you guys think. That's more of a behind the scenes, where this is more of a finished product build. But I appreciate you guys checking out my videos, and as always, keep making some great stuff. See ya.